Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at Asoka's rule. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill-in-the-blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Power in the Maurya Empire passed from grandfather to son. When Chandragupta's grandson Asoka gained power, at first he waged war. Then he turned to peace. Why did Asoka turn to peace? Asoka gained the throne after many years of fighting. He then went to war again against the kingdom of Kalinga, which had resisted conquest. Asoka conquered Kalinga, but the war was long and terrible. The great suffering led Asoka to try to follow the Buddhist ideals of Dharma and working for people's well-being. To share his ideas, Asoka had stone pillars, or columns, set up across his empire that encouraged people to live moral lives. While Asoka respected all religions, he became a follower of Buddhism. His support helped the religion spread throughout India. What was Asoka's legacy? During his 40 years on the throne, Asoka did much to improve the lives of his people. He set up hospitals, dug wells, and built an excellent road system. As a result of Asoka's efforts, India prospered. The country was at peace, and there was little crime. After Asoka died in 232 BCE, the Maurya Empire began to struggle. By 185 BCE, the Maurya Empire came to an end. Okay, this one is short and does not need a nutshell recap. Reward me for that by going nuts on those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for stopping by Nutshell History. See y'all next time.